nawala or napatalsik yung establishment candidates na silang Marojas at lahat, or basically lahat ng Liberal Party. Napatalsik silang lahat. But before we see this as an open and shut case dahil sinabi kong anti-Marcos si Trillanes dahil sa mga human rights abuses at embezzlement ito sa kanilang bayan or sa kaban ng bayan, let's not forget na as I said nung nakaraan, mas nagiging acceptable ang leadership ni President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. kasi wala masyadong kita sa media ng mga human rights abuses at saka yung mga katiwalian na we usually see on a daily basis in local government. Pero sa national government, we don't see it as more provocative at mas nakikita. Kumbaga, at the very least, tago ang korupsyon at embezzlement ng funds ng gobyerno because it doesn't really go away. Let's not forget na, as I said nung nakaraan, mas nagiging acceptable ang leadership ni President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. in terms of things that Trillanes cares about, which are mostly about human rights at decorum kung ikukumpara kay Duterte.